Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Dr. Muhammad Sharif, Professor of Pediatric Surgery. Today I am going to talk about importance of newborn examination by pediatric surgeon. As you all know that every newborn should be examined by pediatrician, but it is also necessary that it should be examined by pediatric surgeon. Why by pediatric surgeon? Because there are so many diseases which, if not picked early, then later on lead to complications, and also there is so many difficulties which can be suffered by the newborn baby. So for example, I will tell you about the diseases which are important to diagnose early at the time of birth, like head circumference of the newborn baby, maybe it is more, then it is called hydrocephalus. If it is picked up early and treatment is early, then there is less damage to the brain parenchyma. Similarly, some mass abdomen may be present at the time of newborn age. So if this mass abdomen is picked up early and diagnosed early in stage 1, the treatment is only medical. But if it is delayed and it is in stage 2, 3, 4, sometimes there is metastasis, it can spread to the liver and spleen, and the results of the treatment are very poor. So it is very much necessary to have an examination of newborn by pediatric surgeon. Some other diseases which should be diagnosed early, if they are not diagnosed early, they can lead to complication. For example, if the testes of the newborn baby is not present in the scrotum, it is present above in the inguinal canal, or it can be in the abdomen. If it is not diagnosed early, there is a chance that it will come into scrotum up to the 8-month age, but after 8 months, there is the effect on the spermatogenesis. Sperm which are produced by the testes, they are necessary for the fertility later on in the adult life. So there is effect on sperm production, and this can result in infertility. So also there is sometimes swelling in the inguinal region on the both sides, and this swelling comes and then comes and go. So this swelling should be diagnosed as inguinal hernia. So we are seeing that sometimes there is a swelling in the inguinal region, and this swelling is called inguinal hernia. The treatment of hernia is as soon as possible you should get surgical treatment. Otherwise, there will be obstruction. The gut or the omentum which is coming into the inguinal canal, it can get obstructed, and it will lead to the pressure on the blood supply of testes, and there will be gangrene of testes and also gangrene of the intestine, and the simple surgery will be converted into the complicated surgery. Also, sometimes the urinary orifice is not at the normal position. It is in the proximal traction. So if this patient is diagnosed early and treatment is done after 8 months of age, then results are good. And the treatment is delayed, then results are not good. Also, there is sometimes deformity of the feet in the newborn. The both feet, maybe it is medially rotated, and this we call it talipes equinovarus. If the treatment is started early, it can be done by the only physiotherapy and also by application of plaster of Paris. But if treatment is delayed, then it ends up with the surgery. So this is why importance of the newborn examination by pediatric surgeon. So I will advise my all patients, parents, that every newborn, in spite of that, it has no disease, it should be examined by the pediatric surgeon in addition to the examination by pediatrician. Thank you.